Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something juicy, the top 10 places a man craves your touch. We're gonna break it all down, and trust me, these tips will bring you closer than ever. But you know what? It's time to turn the tables. Ladies, it's our turn to spill the tea. We're about to unlock the secrets of the male psyche and figure out what really makes them tick. Get ready for some serious mind-blowing revelations because things are about to get real. Let's dive in. Okay, so you're watching the big game, right? The atmosphere is electric, the stakes are high, and every second counts. You and your partner are glued to the screen, hearts racing with every play. Tensions are high, your team is down by a point, but suddenly, bam, they score. The room erupts in cheers, and you can feel the excitement coursing through your veins. You jump up, adrenaline pumping, and instinctively reach for your man's hand for a celebratory high five. It's a moment of pure joy and connection. But here's the thing, don't let go. Instead of just a quick slap, hold on to that hand for a moment longer. Hold on to that hand for a beat longer than usual. Feel the warmth of his hand, the strength of his grip. It's a small gesture, but it can mean so much. Like make eye contact, give it a little squeeze. Let him know that you're not just celebrating the game, but you're celebrating being together, sharing this moment. Trust me, it's a game changer. This simple act can deepen your connection and make the moment even more special. You see, that simple gesture speaks volumes. It's a way of saying, I'm here with you in this moment, and I cherish it. It's like you're saying, I'm with you through thick and thin, cheering you on every step of the way. It's a silent promise of support and love. And the best part, it's not just limited to sports. This little trick works in so many other situations too. Whether you're playing a board game, watching a movie, or just goofing around, that lingering high five is a surefire way to ignite a spark. It's a way to say, I'm having fun with you, and I love these moments we share. So go on, give it a try, and watch the magic happen. You'll be surprised at how such a small gesture can bring you closer together, making every shared moment a little more special. Alright, let's talk about hugs and kisses. These simple gestures can have a profound impact on our relationships. I know it sounds basic, right? But there's so much more to it than meets the eye. But hear me out. A hug and a kiss a day keeps the relationship alive. It's like a daily dose of love and affection that keeps the bond strong. Think about it, a hug is like a warm, fuzzy blanket for your soul. It wraps you up in comfort and security. It's a safe haven, a way to physically connect and say, hey, I'm here for you no matter what. It's a silent promise of support and understanding. And when you add a kiss to the mix, game over. A kiss can convey so much emotion and passion. But here's the catch. It can't be just any old peck on the cheek. It needs to be meaningful and heartfelt. We're talking a real, genuine kiss. One that makes you feel connected and cherished. Because it's not just about the physical touch, it's about the emotional connection behind it. It's about feeling seen and valued by your partner. Make it a daily ritual, a way to start and end your day on a positive note. Imagine waking up to a loving kiss and ending your day with one too. These small acts of affection can build a reservoir of positive feelings that help you navigate through the ups and downs of life. So, don't underestimate the power of a hug and a kiss. They are the glue that holds relationships together, the spark that keeps the flame alive. Make it a habit, a cherished part of your daily routine. Because in the end, it's the little things that make the biggest difference. So go ahead, hug and kiss your loved one today. Let them know just how much they mean to you. Okay, this one might sound a little out there, but trust me on this. A man's ears are super sensitive. A little gentle touch, a light caress, or even a playful nibble can drive a man wild. It's all about being subtle, playful, and a little bit teasing. Think of it like whispering sweet nothings, but with your fingertips. The ears are packed with nerve endings, and when you stimulate them, it releases endorphins in the brain. Endorphins equal happy feelings, and happy feelings equal a happy man. But a word of caution, not every guy is into ear play. Pay attention to his body language, and if he seems uncomfortable, just move on to another erogenous zone. Communication is key. Chapter 4. Gently massage the back of his neck with your fingers. Alright, picture this. Your man gets home from a long, stressful day at work. His shoulders are tense, his neck is stiff, and he's got a headache that just won't quit. You know what he needs? A neck massage from yours truly. Seriously, a neck massage is like a magic elixir that melts away stress and tension. Just gently place your fingers on the back of his neck, right at the base of his skull, and use your thumbs to make small, circular motions. As you massage, pay attention to his breathing. Encourage him to let go, to surrender to the massage. Chapter 5. Resting your head on his chest. There's nothing quite like the feeling of security and comfort that comes from resting your head on a man's chest. It's like being enveloped in a warm, fuzzy hug. But it's not just about the physical sensation. It's about the unspoken message that it sends. When you rest your head on a man's chest, you're essentially saying, "I trust you, I feel safe with you." That kind of vulnerability is incredibly powerful. Choose a moment when you're both relaxed, comfortable, and feeling connected. Maybe it's after a long day, or while you're cuddling on the couch. Chapter 6, his jawline. Alright, let's talk about a man's jawline. It's one of those features that can be incredibly captivating. You know, that sharp, chiseled area that makes you want to run your fingers along it? Yeah, that one. It's like a work of art, sculpted to perfection. It's like the epitome of masculinity, and it's a major turn-on for us ladies. There's something about a well-defined jawline that exudes confidence and strength. But most men don't even realize how much we love their jawlines. They might think it's just another part of their face, but for us, it's a focal point of attraction. So when you take the time to appreciate their jawline, it makes them feel like $1,000,000. It's a simple gesture that can boost their confidence immensely. You can gently caress his jawline with your fingertips, tracing the outline of his bone structure. This light touch can send shivers down his spine and create a deeper connection between you two. Or, if you're feeling really bold, you can even give him a light kiss right on his jawline. This unexpected kiss can be incredibly intimate and show him just how much you adore him. The key here is to be confident and playful. Don't be afraid to show your affection and let him know how much you appreciate his features. The more you enjoy yourself, the more he will too. When you both are relaxed and having fun, it creates a beautiful, shared experience that strengthens your bond. So next time you're with your man, take a moment to admire his jawline. Let him know how much you love it. It's these little things that make a big difference in a relationship. Remember, it's not just about the physical attraction, but also about the emotional connection you build through these small, tender moments. So go ahead, appreciate his jawline and watch how it brings you closer together. Chapter 7. Run your fingers through his hair. Okay, let's talk about hair, specifically men's hair. Have you ever just wanted to run your fingers through a guy's hair? It's like a primal urge or something. And the best part? Most guys absolutely love it when you play with their hair. It's like a mini scalp massage, and it just feels really, really good. Plus, it's a great way to show affection without being too, in their face about it. You can go for the classic, run your fingers through his hair move. The key here is to be gentle and to pay attention to his reactions. Communication is key. Chapter 8. Rub back. Let's talk about the power of a good back rub. I'm talking about the kind of back rub that melts away stress, eases tension, and leaves your man feeling like a puddle of relaxed goo. A back rub is so much more than just a physical act. It's a way to connect with your partner on a deeper level, to show them that you care, and to make them feel loved and appreciated. All you need is a little love, a little bit of time, and maybe some scented massage oil if you're feeling fancy. Chapter 9. Breathe in his good smell. Have you ever been hugging your man and you just can't get enough of his scent? Like it's this intoxicating mix of cologne, sweat, and just pure manliness? Well, it turns out that men actually love it when you acknowledge their scent. It's like a compliment to their pheromones or something. So the next time you're hugging your man, take a moment to really breathe him in. Bury your face in his neck, inhale deeply, and let him know that you appreciate his manly aroma. Trust me, he'll be secretly thrilled. Just a quick, subtle inhale is all it takes. Chapter 10. Foot massage. Okay, let's be real, nobody likes having tired, achy feet. But most guys don't complain about their feet. They just suffer in silence like the stoic warriors they are. That's where you come in, my friend. Because a foot massage is like a mini vacation for your man's feet. It's a way to show him that you care, to pamper him, and to make him feel like a king. Plus, let's be real, a foot massage is a win-win situation. Not only does it make your man feel amazing, but it also gives you a chance to get all handsy with those toes. A foot massage is a powerful tool in any relationship. Outrow 10 Irresistible touches men crave. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Remember, relationships are a two-way street. It's all about giving and receiving and finding that perfect balance that works for both of you. And hey, if you've got any tips or tricks of your own, be sure to share them in the comments below. Let's create a judgment-free zone where we can all learn from each other and spice up our love lives. So go out there, try these touches, and let me know how it goes. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay confident, and keep the love alive. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated.